Hi. So there's been this challenge going around Instagram and Twitter, and it's called the sixfanarts challenge. Sixfanarts challenge. It's hard to say. And it looks a little bit like this, or even this and this. And it consists of doing 6 fan arts of 6 different characters. And I thought that was a cool idea. And I went on Instagram and I asked you guys for suggestions of which characters to draw. And you gave me some really cool ones, and so this is what we're going to do today. Let's get started. Oh, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, here it is. There's a link in the description that you can click on it and go follow it. So you can help me on the next video. Yeah. Now, let's go. Let's get started. Now that we're done with the line work, let's get this into Photoshop and start coloring. Let's go. There's only one thing missing from our Vegeta. One down, let's get to the other ones. Last one, somebody just suggested South Park, the show. So I thought, let's do Cartman, but with a little twist. Let's go. get this into Photoshop. That's it. 3 down, 3 more to go. But we're gonna end the video here, otherwise it gets too long. Let me know in the comments which of the 3 I did today is your favorite. If Vegeta, or Tokyo with the gun, or Cartman, the little chubby guy. I think my favorite is Cartman from South Park. It came out pretty cool. Also, if you're super bored because it's quarantine and you have anything to do, you can go in the description and you'll find all of the black and white drawings that I did. You can print them and then color them in and tag me on Instagram so I can see what you're doing. And if you don't follow me, you can just stay in the loop about things I'm doing. Sometimes I do polls about videos that I'm preparing, or just, yeah, whatever I'm up to. You can also comment in this video 3 characters for the next video, because we gotta finish the 6 fan arts. So they could be from anywhere, like anime, cartoon, movie characters, Pokemons, I guess those are anime. Yeah, whatever you can think, throw it my way, then I'll pick 3 and I'll do it for next video. And yeah, if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it. I'll be posting new videos every week. And yeah, come back next week for the next 6 fan arts. Yeah, bye!